Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working with fish again. Check out my previous video where I did a fried catfish that was seasoned with some cinnamon powder. Fish caught by husband. Again, using fish caught by husband in today's video. So I'm going to be putting together a fish with chimichurri sauce for you guys and some channa or chickpeas and vegetables to go along with it. So chimichurri sauce, well, it's something, if you look at it, you might think it's like a green seasoning, but it's really a combination of parsley with vinegar in there, oregano, salt, black pepper, garlic, hot pepper. Simple sauce to make, it's a delicious one. I'm using apple cider vinegar today. Usually it calls for like a rice wine vinegar or like a red wine or something like that. But I'm going to be using apple cider vinegar today. The main ingredient is that parsley. We're going to start off by finely chopping that parsley. You can use a mini chopper or you can chop it up with your hands, either way, or with a knife, either way. And then you're just going to empty it out into a bowl and add the chopped up or grated garlic and the hot pepper. Now you can add as much hot pepper as you like to it. It's all up to you. Just try to get the ingredients finely chopped up as possible. In goes the oregano and the salt, and we're just going to mix that all together. Next, we're going to add in that apple cider vinegar as well as the olive oil, and you're just going to mix this up. Now, if you want to use this sauce to cook with, you should let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow those flavors to be released into the oil. But ideally, you should try to leave it for like 2 to 3 hours before using it. So to cook our fish, I'm just going to keep it simple with salt and black pepper, season it with that, and I'm going to add some olive oil as well. And then in a pan, or you can do it on a grill, you're just going to cook it on both sides, and you're going to put that sauce on each side of it and cook it with that sauce as well. So it's a nice flavoring. Although you just have salt and black pepper on your fish, the flavors in that chimichurri sauce is going to guarantee a flavorful fish. So you're going to cook your fish depending on the size of it until it's properly cooked through. And then we're going to work on the vegetables and channa. So you can use any vegetables that you like. I usually just pick out whatever I have in my fridge and put it together. Now this is one of those go-to meals for me whenever husband wants like a healthy dish. This is what I put together. Channa with all-purpose seasoning and some vegetables. All I'm going to be doing is just add in some olive oil and some butter in a pan. When the butter is melted, just going to add the vegetables. You're going to cook it for a few minutes. Add that all-purpose seasoning and some green seasoning as well. Green seasoning adds a nice flavor. And you just add in your channa, and all you're going to be doing is just mixing this all up. Now it won't take too long to cook. It cooks pretty quickly actually, and this is what it looks like. I must say it's actually quite delicious. So we're just going to add it to our plate and put that fish with the chimichurri sauce on top of it, guys, and a simple, delicious, flavor-packed dish for you guys here, and actually one of husband's favorite combinations. Pretty simple, right? Get your hands on some fresh parsley, that oregano, of course, that dried oregano, and just apple cider vinegar. Nice way to include apple cider vinegar in your diet for sure. As you know, they say there's so many benefits from consuming apple cider vinegar and even using apple cider vinegar on the whole. So try this and let me know what you guys think about it. Remember, you could use it on any meats that you want to use it on, and you could also use it on anything else. So I also used it on egg sandwich for the husband that I did. Put some of the sauce on it, just delightful. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with all your friends and your family. I shall see you guys for my next video.